Today is 22nd July and this is your dose of startup funding stories. Let's find out who got funded today and what's happening on the entrepreneurship street. Let's dive in. Stable Money has raised nearly $15 million in a new round from RTP Capital, Lightspeed India, and Matrix Partner. Founded in late 2022 by Saurabh Jain and Harish Reddy, Stable Money is building a fixed-return investment platform to provide financial consultation services to investors. Aero has secured $15 million in a Series B funding round led by 361 Asset. The round also witnessed participation from its existing investors Startup XSED Ventures and Navam Capital. Co-founded in 2013 by Vipul Singh and Suhas Banshiwala, Aero serves in the B2B space in the high-tech, aerospace, maritime and defense tech market segments. Blacksoil NBFC, the flagship arm of Blacksoil Group, has raised 208 crore rupees debt. The round witnessed participation from HNIs, UHNIs, family offices, banks, and NBFCs. Co-founded in 2016 by Mohinder Pal Bansal and Ankur Bansal, it offers customized credit solutions to emerging corporates, financial institutions, NBFCs, and MSMEs across sectors. Fiber has secured $1.8 million in a funding round led by Accel along with participation from 2AM VC and CRED founder Kunal Shah. Co-founded in 2023 by Ankur Goyal and Preetham Roy, Fiber helps marketers reduce customer acquisition cost (CAC) and improve conversion rates. Its flagship offering, Pilot, helps brands create personalized landing pages for ads, emails, and SMSs. Lenskart has raised nearly $20 million from its co-founders Peyush Bansal, Neha Bansal, Amit Chaudhary, and Sumit Kapahi. This is the second investment by the founders. Neum has raised $18 million in its Series A round led by Accel with participation from existing investors including Fireside Ventures and AUM Ventures. Founded by Shivam Tripathi, Sumit Jasoria, Vinod Naik, Neum currently sells self-branded clothing across both online and offline outlets. Corvi-led has raised $8 million in a growth capital round led by Enam Investments. Founded in 2012 by Vimal Soni, Lifetime Health has secured $1.5 million in a seed round led by US-based venture capital firm The Garage Syndicate along with participation from other angel investors. Co-founded in 2023 by Konstantin Ryabtsev, Mikhail Vorobiev and Nabil Dhamad, Lifetime Health is a digital platform for hospital-at-home care providing phlebotomy services, diagnostic tools, medical devices, nursing care, physiotherapy, and post-operative care all in one app. Honestly, has raised 3.2 crore rupees in its pre-seed round led by Better Capital along with participation from Kunal Shah-led QED Innovations and senior leaders from Flipkart, Polygon and Cred. Founded by Karishma Rathore, Honestly will enable peer-to-peer connections for exchanging product reviews. ByteXL has raised $5.9 million in its Series A round led by Kalari Capital, along with Michael and Susan Dell Foundation. Founded by Karun Tadepalli, ByteXL partners with colleges and industry to integrate curriculum. 9Camp has raised $2 million in its seed round from notable angels and non-institutional investors. Founded by Chaitanya Mathur, 9Camp plans to create brands that align with the evolving market and the aspirations of Indian consumers. Seeds FinCap has raised over $8.5 million in a series of funding round led by Lok Capital and Matrix Partners India. Boon has raised $5 million in series of funding round, in a mix of equity and debt. The round was led by Spanish-based Roca Group Ventures along with participation from other investors. This is maiden institutional investment for Roca Group in India.